Welcome back to Auto Show. If you're passionate about the latest cars and future-ready machines, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into something exciting today, the brand new 2026 Honda CR-V. This isn't just another SUV update, this is Honda making a statement. A bold, electrified, and stylish one. For years, the Honda CR-V has been a household name, praised for its reliability, comfort, and value. But Honda knew it was time to push boundaries. And push they did. The 2026 CR-V has been re-engineered from the ground up with futuristic styling, smart technology, and a major focus on efficiency, all while keeping the practicality that families love. From city commutes to long road trips, the new CR-V is built to do it all, and do it beautifully. Let's talk looks. The 2026 CR-V now sports a bold, futuristic front grille with sharp LED matrix headlights that give it a premium and aggressive vibe. The redesigned body has clean, aerodynamic lines, wider stance, and sleek curves that make it look like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. With blacked-out alloy wheels, smoke taillights, and a subtle spoiler, this SUV doesn't just ride smart, it rides in style. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that feels more like a luxury lounge than a mid-size SUV. The 2026 CR-V features premium leather seating with red contrast stitching, a panoramic sunroof, ambient LED lighting, and a completely reimagined dashboard. At the center is a stunning 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system paired with a digital instrument cluster, both loaded with the latest Honda Connect OS. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay come standard, and so does a wireless charger, dual-zone climate control, and even a cooled glove box. Yes, you heard that right. Now for the real game changer, the powertrain. The 2026 CR-V comes in two electrified options. A hybrid variant with a 2.0L Atkinson cycle engine mated to Honda's dual motor system. And an all-new fully electric version, CR-V ER Power, with a range of up to 520 kilometers on a single charge. Honda's engineers have worked magic here. The electric CR-V offers instant torque, whisper-quiet driving, and fast charging, 20% to 80% in just under 30 minutes using a DC fast charger. Impressive? That's just the beginning. Safety is a top priority, and the 2026 CR-V is loaded with Honda Sensing 360. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, emergency braking, blind spot warning, and even a driver drowsiness detector. It practically watches your back while you focus on the road ahead. Plus, with the new OTA, over-the-air update system, your CR-V will stay updated just like your smartphone. No dealership visits needed. The expected price range will start around 32 Indian rupees lakh for the hybrid and may go up to 44 Indian rupees lakh for the top-spec electric version. Launch is expected in early 2026, and Honda is planning both CKD assembly and future localization to make it even more competitive. The 2026 Honda CR-V isn't just a better SUV, it's a smarter, more futuristic experience on wheels. Whether you're a tech lover, a family person, or an urban explorer, this CR-V offers something extra. Honda didn't just raise the bar, they redesigned it. Here's the surprise we promised. Honda has hinted at introducing a sportier CR-V Type S Performance Edition with over 300 horsepower, AWD, and sport-tuned suspension. Yes, a performance CR-V. Now that could shake up the SUV world. That's all for today's review of the 2026 Honda CR-V. What do you think? Would you go hybrid or electric? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Show. More futuristic machines and first-look reviews are coming your way, stay tuned. See you in the next video.